So the comment get 1 million views in a day. Judgment. Dancehall is finally on fire again. No need to ask it in a virgin. Now there now. Deal with it. You see me? Make sure say when you drop dancehall nice in the comment section right now. Comment right now, dancehall nice. So people, when you see where the comment are going in the street, when you see where the people them run with it, it gone over 1 million already. But I know it probably reach 1.5 because we don't know the thing already. You know, the people them not ramp with the replay now. So people, what the thoughts is pan cartel news song. And right now, as cartel, this the artist them brawling. Right? Me could talk about it. Brawling. And keep it 1,000. He might do the right thing here, sir. Cause the artists them relax and sit down and go and like say them not have nothing. If you do, like say boy, them are not artists no more. So here we are going to know. Cartel let it be known. They come it out. Right? And they really talk about it. So this is what going on right now. What's on the thought pan cartel new song? Right? Which artist are gonna come remove it, break the record, get 1 million views in a half a day? Cause that's all me see you can do right now. For get on a name trending right now. Artists have to go come do 1 million views in a less than a day. Yeah. So as you can see now, we want to know right now. Will Alkaline drop a song and make the Vendetta fans them just go crazy and say yes, Alkaline saved the day? Now this is the question of the day. Vendetta boss, you know say your fan base not normal, it's not regular. I mean know say right now the whole Vendetta clan and say yo when the boss a drop the song. Cause me know mind game I play yes people. Mind game I play like a motherfucker cause why you think enough artists did the on hold? Unlike say the man in the song. But them want to know what go drop. Right? Either them want counteract the song. Cause right now, now that you say Gage the song in a freestyle, me I say, what? People, it's not normal. So wanna see how this thing are turn out right now. Wanna see I don't run out what they and shell down the place and say man the baddest thing. No. Will I don't be the artist to drop the song? We are gonna flop the Gaza boss. We will have to wait and see. Cause remember, did it run out and tell them say yo, him thing not normal and if you can remember people, I don't know, been trying to have a clash with Vybz Kartel for the longest. So it's nothing strange to hear that I don't know about to drop some banger. Yes, people, I don't know about to drop a banger. Also, Alkaline. So, Vybz Kartel next song, would it be a full out this, the straight up, raw, uncut, this, and this the artist them, and don't care about their feelings and how they gonna fall off a dancer, as what Cartel said, since him come home, them career cut shorter than Nicki mini skirt. Whoa, those are words that hurt. So right now, Cartel not playing no games because a boss is here. And my make on know say, we not have to get in a new gear because right now, the gear where them are traveling, it don't really look like say it has speed up too much. And right now, Gaza, I show them say, it's all about progression and go viral and get the most money. And have the whole of the girl them I say, yo, how I go on? So right now, the streets, I rely, them a depend, them a call out Alkaline. Where you there? You have to drop something, brother. Everybody I say, yo, Vendetta clan. Them and them have to go drop a bad song. Well, when you know say to 6 bar squash, and I nothing new for them man. Them man they drop banger right through the ear. Right through the ear. So we don't even have to say we don't even have to mix up 6 bars in this. But right now we are talking about some artists where everybody are listen and I wait for hear what them are gonna say. When time Cartel drop the song. So now Cartel drop the song. Everybody still await. Cause the artists them they disappear over there. And we still not hear not a song drop this morning. So people, is it safe to say that Cartel, since being released, mess up everything for these people in a dancehall. So you tell me say artist stop. Them nobody want to sing some more. So hold on. Remember what they have whole heap of clash and go on and be a thing in an artist and run out by an artist and a base it not go on. So no, Alkaline, dancehall asking you to drop a song. No, Massacre, the king, as we him say. Massacre say he's the king. No, people, you can't blame the man for saying my king. If you don't see yourself worthy of anything, that's your fault. See me? You have to think great of yourself, and great shall it be. So, Massacre, very interested. As you know, it's a Massacre, and a normal artist as well. You see the lineup of these three artists right there, so now, Massacre, you have Idol, and you have Vybz Kartel, right? So we are talking about a lot of lyrics, a lot of flows. Definitely. Bad man caters to this. So, you don't know, and on a regular thing. So, people want to feel like, you know, is it these three artists are going to end up go at each other? Or one out of the three, two out of the three are going to start war? Will it be Vybz Kartel and Idonia? Or, I know enough people want to see Adi go after Massacre. You understand me? Remember them did have all a song together. That's the reason why I said I really think that Adi, you know, Adi must ready to do a song with him. I just really thought that. But not surprising and not entertainment. You see me, I know nothing personal. So when I know the thing going a business at the end of the day. So the man them intelligent and them know what it can make them real wealthy after them do some great work. So I know nothing personal people. So even if you have a clash with Massacre, you understand me? It it still wouldn't be normal. Cause you have to remember, you know, bro, them artists are the man them crafty, you know, and all of them talented, you know, bro. You see me? That's how them end up in the conversation. You know. You see me? The type of work where them put out, certify them. You see me? Them in a them own space. That way there. But right now, man, it's song the come you have people have all kind of reviews. You have me I see some people that say you bring them back to school days and thing and some people that say them not like the song. Some people are saying should I do like a reality song and thing and but probably if him did do a reality song, you know would have still have said something else tomorrow. That's the funny thing. When I get it, when I know want it, when I don't know what to do with it. But trust me, somebody didn't know what to do with it. A whole lot of people. 1 million views in a one day. Yeah, so the next artist we are gonna tap this, I forgot to do like 500,000 views in a 2 hours or something like that. Yeah, I have to go step up on the game. I'm not buying no ads neither. I talk about real people are viewing the thing. You see me? So any artist we're gonna drop something right now and I'm gonna use the ads and the promotional package to get it brother. You see me? And the Gaza fans them subscribe and out there. I wait for them notification forward. You see? Mm-hmm. Yeah man. But right now we are listening to hear some banger drop from Idonia, Massacre, Alkaline. You see me? And we are wait for hear one next banger. I did go drop. Cause trust me. This are just the teaser. Trust me. I just a teaser this. You understand? But you know say. Remember you know I did tell you say you know him have about 4 more fever around there and sit, you know. So I teaser that. And that's why artists them better know say yo. When you not come go on like say boy, I will not alone. Now the man has shown to say. Someone not gonna really be alone because when I go run out of the game and poof disappear and them all in one space by themselves. Gaza, Vendetta, Fort Jenna, Crocodile, a whole heap of fans that you know. So yo, the artist them man, doing the thing brother, drop on the music and big up on the damn self, you see me? Cause the platform you know one platform with tear down and disrespect artists, rate every artist. Big up on yourself, I wanna make we attack. Yeah, that's the thing. The people, remember, you know, subscribe, like, share, comment, cool, no, man. Hey, remember, you know, we soon reach 500 subscribers. Big up on the damn self. Yeah, man, we're there on the journey. And dancehall just I get turn up. Cause yeah, yeah, me. Interesting for hear what go on in them two new songs they were go drop in. Notice me say two new songs. Who I tell me what go on? People. Two songs out to squeeze out. Yeah. I go hear where Fort Jenna go on with it. Cause I know say I do only a plan for drop something. You see it? And I don't know say Vendetta boss would have drop all them song tonight. But you know them man they move already, you know. Secretly. I yo, the funniest thing. No, you know, yo, you can't even pre Alkaline, you know, brother. Alkaline is a man we are wait for y'all next week for dropping the song. You see me? He's a man like that, brother. But when it drop, it connect. You see me? Yeah, man, that's the greatest thing. But look how much song Alkaline dropped throughout the year. And the whole of them are fire. Be a banger. Be a banger. All song where some people did a give review and I go on like saying they're not going to take off. Gone. So, no matter what them say, man. The data strong out there. You see me? So, artists, big up on yourself and just do some music and not say we want to hear it. We can't wait to hear it. Yeah, man, I just said them, man. People don't feel excited about the music like how they excited for the car bad news from people. Excited for the music because it's the whole thing that we have we talk all about the music, brother. And not nothing personal. I know the artist there. Big up the artist there. See me? And just wish you see the man in the great. Yeah, that's the thing, the man. Short it out. Get a red stripe light up a spliff. Done chat.